So over here, you can see that I am in the home page of WordPress right here. If I were to go around over here and click on my site right here, this is what I have. And if I were to go ahead and visit out my site, then you can see that this is what you have. The site title is site title, as you can see right here. But let's say I want to go ahead and change around my site title. In that case, you can go around onto the settings area right here, just like this. And then over here, you can see that under general settings, you can see the site title right here. You can go around and change the site title to, let's say, for example, something like TutorTube example site right here, just like this. And over here, I'm going to go around and say, keep on learning right here, just like this as my site tagline right here. So over here, there's the site icon as well, as you can see that you can change around as well. And that is what we're going to cover up in the next video. So now let's just go around, change around the site title and tagline right here and click on save settings right here. So once you go ahead and do that, over here on the top, you can see that it says TutorTube example site, and you can see the TutorTube example site right here as well. If I were to click on it and click on visit site, let's say for example, over here on the title, you can see the TutorTube example site right here, just like this, and it shows up right here in the top area of the website as well, and over here on the top right here, just like this as well. So TutorTube example site is here, and over here in the title section of the page as well. And that is how you can change around the site title and tagline inside of WordPress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.